Snake plant new shoots are a profitable way to grow more of these plants with ease and faster than starting them from cuttings. One of their most significant selling points is that they do not require a lot of care and attention to keep healthy and to look good over a long period. The other significant advantage is that they can be propagated from cuttings, even when the plant seems lifeless and beyond revival. Cuttings best carry out snake plant propagation, but they can also be propagated by division and leaf cuttings. What is sprouting from my snake plant? You may have noticed that your snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue has started growing tiny baby leaves at the end of its long green stems. These offshoots look like small snake plants in themselves, so you might wonder what they are. Snake plant shoots are just baby plants that you can use to grow more plants. How do you encourage new snake plant shoots? By encouraging new snake plant shoots, you can easily maintain and propagate for continual display throughout their life. They are extremely tough houseplant that rarely needs any attention, and can be in most conditions. Snake plant new shoots may appear simultaneously, as fresh leaves start to develop on top of existing leaves. Why is my plant not growing new leaves? Snake plant leaves may appear to wither at times, but this can be a natural process and not cause worry. Snake plant leaf tips turn yellow and die in winter as a signal that new snake plant leaves will appear from the center or crown of the plant. The snake plant doesn't need any help from you to do this. The perfect conditions for propagation: well-aerated soils, adequate water and a consistent watering schedule, an ideal pot, indirect bright light. How long does it take my plant to root in water? These useful plants are quite hardy and take 3 or 4 weeks to root when placed in water. You would have to place it under a grow light or in shaded bright sunlight. Direct sunlight is not recommended for snake plants as it may burn their leaves and flaw their potential to grow their best. How to remove a pup from my plant? Ensure that your plant is at least 4 to 6 inches in height before attempting to remove the pups. Remove your plant from its existing container and get rid of any excess soil that is stuck to it. Place your plant on a sturdy surface and cut the plant directly in the middle of the rhizome using a sharp knife. Place the snake plant pup in a nutrient-rich potting mix and water it. Remember to re-water only when the soil has completely dried out. How do you get more snake plant pups? Keep in mind that your plant needs an ample supply of indirect sunlight to enhance its expansion. Additionally, growth boosters, which include fertilizers, water, and growth space, are contributing factors that aid in the creation of great snake plant pups. Dividing about 3 leaves that have roots and planting them individually will also afford you the privilege of an added number of snake plant pups. How often to water my plant? Snake plant watering schedules may vary, depending on the climate in your region. Seeing that these plants require re-watering when their soil is completely dried out, monitoring the growing medium is important to their health and growth. Generally, watering after every 2 to 3 days should be ideal. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.